We made a tutorial for the black glue and carpet adhesive remover. This product is safe to be used on concrete, ceramic tile, porcelain tile, natural and quartz composite stone, and vinyl tile. We used this product on a section of VCT tiled flooring that was covered in adhesive residue and dirt. To use the black glue and carpet adhesive remover on floors, start by thoroughly sweeping the area to remove any dry debris. When using this remover, wear protective gloves and avoid stepping on any area that this product has been applied to, as it has a very slippery texture. Spread a generous coat of the remover evenly on the surface and let work for 15 to 45 minutes while intermittently scrubbing. For this tutorial, we used a clean, dry cloth to apply the remover and let it work for 45 minutes while intermittently scrubbing. Use a rough scrub brush or pad to scrub away the adhesive. For this tutorial, we used a scrub brush and scrub pad to remove the adhesive residue. The black glue and carpet adhesive remover is specially formulated to remove acrylic and urethane-based glues such as carpet and vinyl sheet glues, black glue residues, as well as pre-mixed cement grout residues. After scrubbing away the adhesive, rinse the area with a diluted solution of the FCS Solutions heavy-duty cleaner or warm, soapy water. For this tutorial, we used a regular mop and warm water to rinse the area. The black glue and carpet adhesive remover is easy to use, completely removes stubborn, stuck-on glue and adhesive residue, and won't damage your floors. Comparing the before and after of this section of flooring, you can see the black glue and carpet adhesive remover made a huge difference in this floor and removed all of the adhesive residue. To shop black glue and carpet adhesive remover, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.